Hey guys, today I'm playing some off-road Outlaws, and I'm gonna be going on a hunting trip because I've seen a couple videos of people going hunting. I ain't tried it out yet, but I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna show you my gun that I got. It's right here. Here's the gun I'm gonna be using. I'm trying to get me some birds with it, and I think it should be pretty fun. So what you gonna do right now? And we're gonna try to get a couple birds. So guys, I'm at the hunt spot. This is oh yeah, I forgot something. But I seen the YouTuber I seen hunting on here. This is his map, and his name is like Cody something. Hold on, I'm not really, I don't really remember because it was a couple hours ago. But I'll just put the name in right here. I'm trying to remember what it is. Put Cody something, but I'll put it in real quick. So I already see some birds in there. We'll craft down. We'll see if I can get my first bird. Oh man, we got him. Okay, we're gonna leave that there, and we're gonna wait some more, wait for some more birds to get here. But, miss out. Okay, gotta see if I see any more birds. Maybe behind us. Looking around here. Oh, there's one here. Yeah. Okay, I got that one. Okay. Oh, one right there. That one. I missed. Got it. Three, but I got three so far. And seeing if I can see any. We'll try to get about maybe five or six going on. Maybe a little more. Hmm. Try to see if I see any. But we got a bird coming in now. So oh, there we are. Got that one. Took it right out of there. Is there any more around here somewhere? Um, not that I see. Just, we'll just wait for him to fly in here. Oh, there's one right there. We got that. Okay. See if we can get about maybe one or two more. No, we'll go for about two, three. Two, three more. We'll be good. Okay. There doesn't seem to be any more coming in here, so I don't know if we gotta go grab these birds first or what. I'm gonna go grab these and see if any more come in here. I got me some birds laying on the ground, so go ahead and pick them up. Well, we get some cash from them, so be a cool way of making money. So we all win. Here, we're gonna grab this last one right here over here. We're gonna see if there's any more birds in there. Okay, let's get back to flying. Wait a couple minutes, see if we see anything. And if we don't, I think we'll call it a day. Okay, let's get back down here. See if we see any more birds. Oh, here's one coming in here right now. Oh, we got it. See if we can see any more real quick before we leave. Oh, there's another. Oh, we got that one super far. That's a pretty far shot. Oh, one more right here. Okay, we got. Oh, okay, we got three more right there. We'll go for one more. We'll go for this one right here. Oh, I missed. Oh, there we go. Got it. So, I think we're going to collect these and throw them in the back of the truck, then we'll be good. So, let's collect these. We're going to call it a day. Pick them up. Getting pretty deep water here. Sinking in the mud almost. I think we make pretty good money from all that birds that we got. How many birds we get? We probably got somewhere close to 10, maybe. Something around there. So, we're going to throw them in the back of the truck before we head out. See how much money. We're going to head back to the truck. Get to my little area. See how much money. So guys, we're back out here, back in the little wild area. So we made about $15,000 on that. That's pretty good. That's a pretty fun way to make some money right there, you know. good all hunting, pretty good. Take your truck out there, wherever heck, take it out in the woods or something, shoot some birds, make some money. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. I say this is a really good update so far. Like I did, it's pretty good. I actually like it a lot, and they did a good job on the hunting and like the characters. Like the characters are really good. Like they're cool. Like it'd be cool if you had a little more choices, like the skin color, but the skin color don't really matter. But for some people it might, but not me. But I'd say it's pretty good and stuff. So like I like it. So it's actually this is that's pretty fun hunting. So, but I'd say yeah, it's good. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see some more videos like this on Off-Road Outlaws, just tell me and I can make it happen. Cause I like this game, so it ain't gonna be no problem film some videos on it. So goodbye.